Welcome. So today I'm gonna show you how to change the microphone option in your AirPods Pro. So for the first, grab your case, open it to connect to the iPhone. It is connected, so go to the settings and go to the Bluetooth. And right now we have to go to this information. And here we have the microphone, so click on it. And as you can see, the active iPod microphone can automatically change from the left to right or be fixed to one side. So you can set it out like you want. I will of course leave it with automatically switch AirPods. And yeah, this is how it works. If I help you, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.